Hello students, today's topic is binary coded decimal number, that is BCD code, or 8421 code arithmetic, from chapter 1 number system and codes, subject digital techniques 22320. We have already studied BCD code in types of codes. Again we'll brush up. BCD code is a system of assigning a 4-digit binary code to each digit 0 through 9. So if you remember, binary coded decimal representation is to represent each digit of binary into each digit of decimal into 4 bits of binary number, as shown in the next slide. So you would be able to understand it very well from this table. So here decimal number 0, its BCD code is 0000. Every decimal digit is represented with 4-bit binary code. So here we will take one more example, that is decimal number 4. Decimal number 4 is represented by 0100. And binary coded decimal number, the decimal number representation can be done only to 0 to 9 numbers. So now here you can check again, decimal number 9 can be represented as 1001. Now whatever codes are written in this table, it is called as valid codes in BCD system. Valid codes. So all these are from 0 to 9 numbers, all are valid codes, valid BCD codes. Now check out here. The number decimal number 10 can be represented in 4-bit binary as 1011, but this is not a BCD code because BCD code exists only for 0 to 9 numbers. It is not for 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so on. So here the number 12 can be represented in binary as 1100, but this is also not a BCD code. And all these codes from 10 to 15 are called as invalid BCD codes. So now in this slide, you will understand how to represent BCD code for a given decimal number 1895. So according to BCD code rule, represent each digit with 4-bit binary. So here 5 is represented by number 01. So here 5 is represented by 0101. 9 is represented by 1001. 8 is represented by 1000. And 1 is represented by 0001. So this is the BCD code of 1895 decimal number. So BCD code is very important as it is used in addition subtraction process in computers. So here first we will start with the BCD addition. There are certain rules related for BCD addition. It is not as binary addition. So here BCD addition rules we will check. The first rule is the given number will be in decimal form. You are going to convert each digit of decimal number into its 4-bit binary. So now here, after converting each digit into 4-bit binary BCD codes, you are supposed to add the BCD codes using binary addition rules. But the two terms you are supposed to remember here is when you are going to add first time. So when you are going to add first time, it is called as step 1. Now in this addition you are supposed to understand the two terms. First is called as auxiliary carry and second is called as invalid numbers. Now what do you mean by auxiliary carry here? First you have to understand. These are BCD code is representation of 4 bits binary. So when you will add 4 bits, as I have shown in this table, I have added a space in between every 4 bits. So when you are adding this first 4 bits, after addition you will get the result in 4 bits, or you will get the result in 4 bits and one extra bit will be generated, that is called as carry. That is the 5th bit. That 5th bit is called as auxiliary carry. So whenever after addition of 4 bits, if 5th bit is generated, the auxiliary carry is generated. So you are going to take care of auxiliary carry and invalid codes in step 1 addition. So you are going to check out here in this table. I have written the codes which are supposed to be added. 187, 1 I have we have represented in a 4-bit binary. 8 we have represented in 4-bit binary, and 7 also we have represented in 4-bit binary. Then 87 also we have represented in 4-bit binary, and the third number, that is 0, we have added here before 87. So after addition, now you check first 4 bits I have added, and that is in the yellow color. So after addition only 4 bits are generated, that is 1, 1, 1 and 0, and carry is not generated, auxiliary carry is not generated, so therefore it is not marked here. So next number when we are adding, that is 8 plus 8. So in the next addition you have to check the result is 0, 0, 0, 0 and a carry is generated, which I have shown with the black arrow upwards. That is nothing but your auxiliary carry. So from when you are adding 8 and 8, auxiliary carry is generated and is added to the next 4 bits. So here auxiliary carry is generated because of 8 and 8 addition, and then next again 4 bits 1 and 0 is added, and when we are adding this, no auxiliary carry is generated. And then after, now you have to remember the auxiliary carry is generated here, this you have to remember. Now next step what you are going to do here is you are going to find the valid numbers and invalid numbers. So you have to check out now. Here we'll start from the first one, 0, 0, 1, 0. It is a valid BCD number. Then 0, 0, 0, 0. It is also a valid BCD number. But 1, 1, 1, 0, which is highlighted, it is not a valid BCD number. So there are two things in the first step: auxiliary carry and invalid BCD numbers. So wherever invalid BCD number is there, you are in the next addition step, you are going to add binary number 0110, that is 6, to that invalid BCD number. And whenever auxiliary carry is generated because of that the previous number, you are going to add 6 in that number. So here 6, that means binary number 6, 0110, you are going to add to 0000 because auxiliary carry is generated because of this, and 1110, here also you are going to add 6. This will be very clear in the next slide. After adding 6, after adding that binary number 6, you are going to add that in the next step, that is called as step 2. So here it will be very clear of addition of 6. I have clearly mentioned here where you are going to add 6. See, invalid number 1110 is there you are going to add 6. Wherever is valid number, no need to add, but auxiliary carry is generated, so therefore you are going to add 6 there, 0 1 1 0. And then the next step you check here, so it is the overall addition. Step 2 of addition you are going to check. Yellow color which I have marked, auxiliary carry 0 0 0 is a valid number, but auxiliary carry is generated, therefore 6 is added below that. Then 1 1 1 0 is invalid number, therefore 6 is added there. And 0 0 1 0 which is not highlighted, it is a valid number, so nothing is to be added, so 0 is added there, nothing. And then again in the step 2 you are going to do binary addition. After binary addition, in the step 2 you are not going to check for auxiliary carry. Auxiliary carry you will check only for step 1 of addition. Invalid numbers you are going to check for step 1 of addition. So auxiliary carry and invalid number for step 1 of addition you are going to verify. But from step 2, auxiliary carry you are not going to check. Only invalid numbers you are going to check. So now after addition, what I have found is all are valid numbers. 0 0 1 0 valid, 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 valid, 0 1 0 0 valid. So you are going to stop addition here, and this is the final answer. And if you will convert this number into decimal, you will find it as 274, and this is the final BCD addition result. I hope you have understood BCD addition. This is the solved example of BCD addition. Here you will be able to understand it. 879, it's a decimal number, plus 899 is a decimal number, and this you are going to add using BCD addition rules, and the final answer you should get is 1778. This is what you should get. So we'll start with step 1. Each digit represented by 4-bit BCD code as shown. Step 2, add these BCD codes. It is shown here. Step 1 of addition is shown here. You are going to add these BCD codes, and you will check after every addition the auxiliary carry is generated, and which is shown by arrow. Check. You are also going to mark all these auxiliary carry when you are adding. So first I have marked auxiliary carry, that arrow, and 3 auxiliary carries are generated. So if auxiliary carry is generated, you are going to add 6 to that result. So check. 0 0 0 1 is a valid number, but auxiliary carry is generated, therefore add 6 below, 0 1 1 0. Then next also auxiliary carry is generated, add 0 1 1 0. Again auxiliary carry is generated, add 0 1 1 0. And here the extra carry is generated, that is also written there 1, and since it is a single bit, but BCD addition is a representation of 4 bits, therefore 3 zeros are added at the end in the step 2. Check. After 3 yellow colors, that 1 is there down and 3 zeros I have added. So always it should be of 4 bits. Now step 1 we have done, and now we are going to check for valid this valid number. Now 0 0 0 1, last one is a valid number, so nothing to add there. Now in step 2, go on adding whatever we have written there. So after addition, the result we got, after getting the result you are going to check for valid numbers. 0 0 0 1 valid, 0 1 1 1 valid, 0 1 1 1 valid, and 1 0 0 0 8, it is also a valid number. So since you get all valid numbers, in the end you are going to stop, and the final answer is 1778. Now these are few BCD addition questions to be solved as an assignment. Thank you.